In this video, I'll be discussing the upgrade in braces technology. We've been using the same analog traditional braces for the last 55 years. We now have an upgrade thanks to 3D printing technology, which is called the custom digital braces. Custom digital braces are made to order, less overall discomfort because of the 3D printing technology. You get done about 6 to 8 months faster because of the technology you're seeing on the screen. The analog braces are like a flip phone. The new custom digital braces is like a smartphone. This is the greatest breakthrough in technology and braces we've had for 55 years, and I can't wait to tell you more about it right now. Hey guys, this is Dr. Robert Passamano. I'm a board certified orthodontist. Today we're going to be talking about the next evolution of braces called the custom digital 3D braces. These braces are 3D printed, 3D placed, and then they are transferred to the patient using these custom digital jigs that you can see right here. That's how the braces get transferred from the printer to the patient's mouth. As you can see on the screen, you are seeing both clear and metal 3D braces. This is going to be stage 0, the initial position of the teeth, and we can transfer the braces from the computer screen directly to the patient's mouth very effectively with those jigs. So let's go ahead and compare traditional analog to digital braces. Traditional analog braces are already at your orthodontist's office before you even arrive. It is a one-size-fits-all system where everyone gets the same braces, regardless of tooth shape or anatomy. All of us humans have different sized teeth, different shapes, different angulations, torques, and rotations. And if you put the same braces on different people, the outcomes are sometimes different. So that means teeth might go left before they go right. They might go up before they go down. What that causes is more discomfort and longer treatment plans by usually about 6 to 8 months. So that's more visits, more time in braces, more opportunity for cavities, taking them out of school, coming in, taking them out from work as well. And then that also means the treatment time goes usually around 2 to 2.5 years and sometimes more. Sometimes you'll even see patients with braces 3 or 4 years. And so now we have a newer technology made to order, customized movements. I showed you on the first screen, it's a digital process where each tooth is individually positioned, and we simulate the outcome where we know where all the teeth are going to go. This means less overall discomfort, 6 to 9 months faster, less appointments, and just a much better patient experience. So let's go into some more data on how quick these braces are. Let's compare traditional metal braces to digital metal braces in this study where they went to multiple orthodontist office, same doctors, same staff, same patient load and volume. They compared the traditional braces they were using beforehand to the digital braces they're using now. They compared this over a 3-year period. They used over 100 different patients, and these are the results. They found that the number of visits went down by about 7. The treatment time was also 7 months faster. The number of repositions or problems associated with the braces went down 81%. Detailing appointments, which is the final part of the braces, went down 45%. Broken braces, emergency visits also go down. This just means the digital braces are a much better experience because it's less issues in less time. So let's compare the clear braces now. Here's the comparison of traditional analog clear to digital clear using the Light Force system. As you can see in the red, this is conventional or traditional braces, and in the turquoise color is the Light Force clear braces. All of the numbers have gone down over 4 different practices. This is a great decrease in scheduled appointments and treatment time. And then we're going to go to the comparison of the two. So we're looking at 35% shorter time for the clear braces. That's 17 months of the digital versus 24 months of the analog. The same, almost 7 months shorter 31% less appointments with the clear braces, and 81% less bracket reposition. So when you compare the difference between traditional and analog, you are seeing a great reduction in all problems associated that we don't like to have as orthodontists. We don't like to have longer treatment plans. We want to get the job done quickly, efficiently, less visits, a better patient experience. You get the same job done in less time. Here's a behind the scenes of the custom metal braces. You can see the simulation from beginning to end. We know exactly where all the teeth are going before we get started. On the lower portion, you can see all these numbers. This is the custom torque and tip and angulation numbers. So this means that we are getting custom results for everybody. We're not giving everybody the same. Sometimes with teeth that are irregular in shape, you don't want to put a stock analog braces on that, because then the tooth might go in a different position and it might not fit together. That causes TMJ grinding issues, stuff we're all trying to avoid. So this is the best braces you can possibly get today. Let's do a quick recap of the custom digital braces. They are quicker, 6 to 8 months faster. The two studies showed 7 and 8 months faster over multiple offices. It's more accurate because it's a digital design. You get a better result, better bite. There's no guesswork associated with this because it's all 3D printed, 3D transfers. It's fantastic new technology. There's less discomfort, obviously, because there's less movement. Because instead of teeth going left and right, they just go left only. It's a one direction. It's like taking a non-stop flight rather than getting a bunch of layovers everywhere. And there's also less issues and emergencies and problems like broken braces. Because they're placed on exactly where they're supposed to be, we simulate the outcome. We know if there's going to be an interference of the braces, so you don't get many broken issues, emergency appointments, stuff coming off on the weekends, or pokey wire issues, because the whole process has been streamlined from beginning to end. It's a great new technology. I love offering for my patients. They love getting the braces off a little bit sooner. It's a great overall experience for almost everyone that does the digital braces. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching the custom digital 3D braces video. I discussed the two main braces options, KL Owen, that's the metal braces, and Light Force, that's the clear braces. Those are the top two right now, and there's more entrants to the market. Regardless, both of them share the same improvements in technology, getting done faster, less overall discomfort, all the things I've already said. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.